How to delete your Pinterest account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Pinterest application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the account management option you see there. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the delete your data and account option. Tap on that and then tap on the continue button you see there. You will then be required to choose a reason for why you are deleting your account. So, go ahead and choose a reason and then tap on the send email option, and further, go ahead and open the email associated with your Pinterest account and then verify the deletion there. And with this, your account will be proceeded for deletion. So this is how you can delete Pinterest accounts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.